I'm not gonna just browse Doge memes while I'm launching 100.
No, it's very important. Very important.
No, this is an avant-garde Doge meme. Please trust me.
It's very avant-garde.
Fish tastes good.
What is that?
Theo, oh my god. Jesus. What layer of irony are we on? But I'm here for it. I am totally here for it.
I can only access this kind of Doge memes on my deep web burner phone.
Anime has been cancelled.
Anime has been cancelled. It has been replaced by Halloween. Yeah, anime is cancelled. Anime is cancelled.
Hell yeah.
Oh, please. That's so.
Anime is cancelled. We America in this bitch.
This is Burger 1-1 to Burger Actual. Here.
Damn it.
This is Burger 1-1 to Burger Actual. Get the bag.
Come on, Badger. Show what you mean.
Alright.
That's a whole ass water infant.
What? I know.
Badger? That's a definite kick right there, motherfucker.
It's a kid.
Alright, Chad, I'll show it to you just so you feel included.
Goose, are you okay, bro?
I'm alright.
Alright.
Goose, what's wrong, bro? What's wrong, bro?
I expected this. It's fine. I expected this.
What?
Bro, you good?
Heavenly was literally eating a fucking pizza, bro! Like, come on!
I'm gonna say, fuck y'all.
Do you? I've got a teammate eating a fucking boneless pizza! While I'm down here jumping in the head!
That shit was bonus too. It was good. Get ready to die, boy.
Alright!
What's good? Like, what's up?
Oh, alright! How about some real shit? How about that?
Wow, yeah, you know what? In my opinion, there's a distinct difference in the sound of a charging handle of a Scar Fortnite Nerf-sponsored Nerf gun and an actual 12 gauge that just racked an IRL slug.
We've been here before, boy. I don't need to explain.
Patterson, fire a warning shot. Sir, this is an M32 grenade launcher. Ah, potato, potato. Just fire it, Patterson.